Harsha Solar Services.
International design, Indian adaptability. Featuring a metallic outer cover, double access doors, and crystal blue glass lining. International design, Indian.
With a capsule shape for longevity, our tanks withstand increased pressure. They are thick and sturdy, able to resist. With a crystal blue glass lining, you get clean water for life. Our unique technology provides a durable porcelain enamel. With crystal,
India's most trusted brand with unmatched 20 years of guarantee. For more details, call 888 50 00062.